Today at OneMonroe, we're taking a look at a vac truck to see what it can do, how it works, and the components that make it all possible. From clearing out sewer lines to industrial cleanup, these massive rigs are instrumental in serving utilities and municipalities. These trucks are built around three main systems: the vacuum airflow system, the hydraulic system, and the water hydro system. The vac system uses a huge boom hose that is controlled by hydraulics, allowing it to reach into confined areas like manholes and sewers. As the vacuum hose is deployed, it's usually aided by a high-pressure water hydrojetter, that big orange reel of hose you see on the front of the truck. It blasts water at extreme pressure to slice through roots, grease, and heavy clogs, breaking everything apart so the vacuum can suck it away. From there, a cyclone separator filters the debris and slurry, moving it into that massive round storage tank until it can be dumped. When it's time to empty out, the rear door of the tank swings open and heavy-duty hydraulics lift the whole tank to dump the load at a waste center. Whether you're building new vac trucks or maintaining an existing fleet, OneMonroe supplies the components that keep them working. Contact OneMonroe today.